I do remember when I started my career and I knew everything would be hard. And really, it was gonna be hard for me. But I didn't give up. I understood the way people say to us, it is gonna be hard. It does not mean that it is gonna be impossible. Hard does not tell you that it is gonna be impossible. Hard tells you there are lots of opportunities if you do not give up. Hard tells you, it teaches you, it leads you to the success. It leads you to the pinnacle. It teaches you, guides you that how you can make the most out of the hard things which are gonna come across the way which you are going or where you are going. So the thing is that I want to tell you this thing happened to the Mahatma Gandhi ji also. When he switched himself to the naturopathy, when he thought of going for the vegetarian and becoming that vegetarian, so it was really hard to him because he started having lots of fruits, juice and organic grains. So when he started maintaining these all things, in beginning he faced lots of problems, and during the non-violence most of his followers also faced these problems, and he was asking everybody to go for the naturopathy, because through naturopathy at least we can get lots of treatments. We can have the good food, good diet, and when we have the good food, healthy food, believe in me, it is really gonna be hard to maintain it, but it is not impossible, it is possible. So when we reach any moment, when we reach any place where it seems that it is gonna be hard, so believe in me, the hard thing is telling you that it is not impossible, it is possible. It is telling you, defining you that you can make it possible and you can make the most of it. How you can maximize your potential when you really go through hard things. You cannot maximize your potential through easy things, because easy things earlier used to be hard, and through practice people have made it easy. So for you now everything is easy because it was hard for them, it used to be. You can also go through hard things and you can make them easy, but you need to understand how you can align these hard things and convert with yourself and convert into easy. You need to understand the concept. You need to be consistent, you need to be persistent, you need to be stoic, because when you are going through any method which is really hard, you need to be patient. Then you understand that what is the hard thing, and when you understand this is the hard, so you can make it possible and you can convert this hard thing into easy things. Only the thing which you need to understand, you need to be consistent and persistent. So I also understood when I started making the videos, it was not the easy thing, it was really hard, but I kept working on these all videos, and now I have come up with those things which are being seen by me very easy, because making videos is very this task is very easy now. It used to be hard. So everything which you find in your way that is hard, 100% it is getting you the opportunities, it is leading you to the success, it is guiding you, it is teaching you, it is telling you that accept it, convert this hard thing into easy. You can make it. Only you need to be stoic and robust. When you want to convert any hard thing into easy, you need to have the patience. Be obsessed with doing these all things. And you keep doing, what will happen? People will find these things hard, but you will find them in future easy. So thank you guys, and wish you a beautiful and happy Diwali, because I think Diwali season is going on. Hope so you people must have been enjoying with your family. So happier than the happiest Diwali from my side to you all members. Thank you. Have a nice time ahead.